Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is how to sync Strava and Garmin Connect. So first thing that you will do is simply open up the Garmin Connect application and make sure to sign in into your account. And after that, just simply tap on the three dots on the bottom right corner of the screen or the More tab. And once you have a tap on More, you should be able to see here settings. So tap on settings under Garmin devices. And now from here, just simply tap on connected apps. And after that, guys, just simply go ahead and tap on Strava. And over here, once you click on Strava, just simply go ahead and scroll down and just simply tap on agree. And after that, just simply tap on the Strava application and just simply tap on just once. And from here, just simply go ahead and scroll down and you should be able to see here multiple options. So as you can see, Garmin Connect will be able to edit certain data, upload your activities from Garmin to Strava. So from here, you can just simply tap on authorize. And after that, just simply go to the Garmin application and just simply tap on just once. And after that, guys, you should be able to sync Strava and Garmin Connect. And that's simply about it. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe, and thanks for watching.